One of the new features in FL Studio 5 is the inclusion of audio and MIDI loop recording. This allows you to continuously record over a loop section until you get the take that you want. And with MIDI data, there is the option to merge your new recording with whatever data was already there, allowing you to build up a section of music with each new pass. First of all, we will look at using the audio loop recording function in the playlist. I will be demonstrating this over a drum loop that I've already prepared. I've set this to loop over a 4-bar section in the playlist. To activate the loop recording feature, you need to enable the loop record and overdub LED in the recording options toolbar. You do this regardless of whether you're recording MIDI or audio. Because we were recording audio, I'll need to go into the audio mixer and select a channel to record into. I'll set the input to the input of my sound card and then click twice on the disk recording button to set the record file path and the name of the new WAV file. Now I'm going to record a bass line, so I'll call the file bass. The disk recording icon will now be orange to indicate that the track is armed. Before we commence recording, I'll just check to see that Auto Create Audio Clip is switched on in the disk recording options in the Mixer Options menu. This will create a new audio clip channel in the step sequencer window for each new loop that we record. The next step is to switch on the recording mode, and then press play. At the end of the loop length, the song position pointer will skip back to the start and begin recording a new file. FL Studio will keep looping over the length until you stop recording. Now you'll see that all of our bass loops are stacked on top of each other down in the audio track section of the playlist. As yet, none of the loops are playing, so we'll need to open up the step sequencer and unmute a channel to hear it with the drum loop. You can then go through and audition each one of the loops till you find the one that you like best. Now this bit of music could probably do with another harmonic element, so now I'm going to demonstrate MIDI loop recording. So I'll switch to pattern mode and go to where I have a Citrus synth set up. Make sure the channel is selected and once again click on Loop Record. Activate the record button and hit play. Now as I record each pass, FL Studio will remove the notes that I played on the previous pass and insert the new notes. And now let's switch back to song mode and hear how that all sounds with the bass line. Now that doesn't actually sound too bad, but the part might work better with a bit more fattening up. So I'll go back to pattern mode, and this time I will enable the blend recorded notes with existing data LED in the recording options toolbar. Again, activate the record button and hit play. And now with each successive pass, FL Studio will merge the newly played parts on top of what was already played. This allows me to build my composition progressively over time. So let's just go back and hear how all that sounds together.